There are some bad people out there, so Google Sheets won't copy any time-based automation triggers whenever you duplicate a spreadsheet, so you'll need to set this up manually. But don't worry, it's super easy. So using the bill pay tracker as an example, we'll open up AppScript by going to Extensions, AppScript, clicking on Triggers, then click Add Trigger in the bottom right-hand corner. We want to keep this as the automation code. Then we'll put Time Driven. We want to select whichever one you want to do. I usually do the day time trigger. Now I want to select what hour I want it to run, then hit Save. And now it's asking you to authorize that app script, and the reason why that needs to happen is because you need to allow it to make edits on behalf of you. So you'll go through this process to allow the automation to work on your spreadsheet, then hit Save. And once you save it, you'll see the time-based trigger details populate. So now every day at the selected time, that automation will run. Now going back to our bill pay tracker, what that automation that we just ran is it's copying anything that's listed on the To Add column and pasting it to the next available line on the Pending Bills column. Like and subscribe for more.